yung heart nandun eh, to help.
Yes.
Oo, we cannot contest that.
Hi guys! And welcome back to our channel. My name is Janine.
And Nari!
For today's vlog ay manonood pa rin tayo ng Beauty with a Purpose project and presentation ng isa sa mga delegates for the upcoming Miss World Philippines 2024, and it's going to be Miss Iloilo. That's Ariana Zobel Beron. And I have another question.
Oh my gosh!
Feeling. Since Iloilo kasi, alam natin kung gano'n nila ka-love yung lugar nila, and then grabe din talaga silang mag-express ng support and love. So, ang tanong ko lang is, how much do you love your city? Or what have you done to show your love to the place kung saan ka pinanganak?
Ano ba? How much love? I love it so much that we would like to come back there, diba? Para come back there. Mag-English. Lang dito. Siguro, what I have done, be a tourism ambassador and ayain lahat ng mga taong kakilala na pumunta ng 100 Islands.
Kung makaka-comeback ka naman, parang ang pagbabalik ng probinsya ng mga ganun.
Ikaw ba? How much do you love Pikit North Cotabato?
Mention mo pa talaga. No, next topic. Yung place medyo pero may culture and tradition na pinagmulan ko, siguro pinanggalingan ko. More of that, ang pagmamahal ko. Siguro na hindi siya mawawala. Without any further ado, let's watch this.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon. Uy, good afternoon ka. Respect naman.
When my aunt, who had cerebral palsy, died due to pneumonia, and my mom have described the challenges they faced with limited medical facilities, meant money often decided who survived. As I grew up, I am free to explore sports before I found my passion in multimedia. With unwavering support of my family, I've led a fulfilling life. Pageantry led me to a diverse community of inspiring children, broadening my perspective. And this is where I discovered the Pototan Pilot Elementary School, a public school in Pototan, Iloilo that caters 95 regular students and 20 Paragames athletes and 6 SPED dedicated teachers. Imagine learners thriving as athletes, students, beloved sons and daughters. But yet, at a very young age, they faced a lot of challenges. Number 1, lack of classroom resources. Paragames athletes struggles insufficient training support. Number 3, lack of acceptance from their families.
Kaya hindi siya nakapasok kasi nasabi number 1 tas number 3 na agad. Wala yung number 2.
Are undiagnosed because of financial constraints.
Yun yung kinakabahan.
Working closely with Pototan Local Government Unit and Iloilo City lawmakers, I am proud to say that we have secured the support from our city. They are willing to give or donate 2 air conditions and TV to provide learning comfort for these children. And I think this is a testament that unity can make meaningful change. And this is my dream for the children of Pototan, Iloilo today and the world tomorrow.
So medyo kulang sa conviction.
So join us in giving these children the chance to color our lives with their brilliance. I am Ariana Zobel Denyola Beron, your Miss World Philippines Iloilo City, urging you to help us to create a world where every child's potential shines bright and embrace the brilliance of the children with special needs. Let us stand and fight with them to create a more inclusive and compassionate future.
Ang ganda naman yung di ba, yung nakita natin ang dami ng mga ganyang advocacy na focus on the people with disability or with special needs, parang ganyan. Pero yung level nung kanyang Beauty with a Purpose is same kay Baguio. Almost the same kay Baguio na medyo lacking lang. We appreciate the intention. Maganda yung pinapatunguhan niya. Pero kasi mas may impact yung advocacy na kulang siya sa ganun yung push. Kudos to her for being so true and honest dun sa details na ginawa lang yung program na yun after niyang manalo sa pageant. Kasi, di ba, kasi tayo sobrang, kumbaga tayo ay fan tayo and strong supporter ng mga advocacy na already existed, na parang hindi lang siya ginawa dahil papasok ka sa beauty pageant, kailangan lang meron kang advocacy and everything, yung gano'n, di ba?
Kasi we can't help ourselves but to compare with other candidates na those other candidates na talagang nasa buhay na nila yung charity, na ginagawa na nila sa profession nila, na sa pang-araw-araw nilang paggising pa lang nila is pagtulong na yung ginagawa nila. In comparison to this na it's on the end of the spectrum. So I think yung heart nandun to help. Yes. We cannot contest that. So siguro tulungan lang natin mai-educate yung sarili natin on how much more pa tayo makakagawa ng mas
bigger
or
impactful. And sana ay mag-continue siya beyond Miss World Philippines.
Feeling ko ito yung entry door niya, ganyan. Tapos kung magpapatuloy siya, darating siya dun sa point.
It would be amazing. Mas masayang malaman na, di ba, mas marami nang natulungan and then mas mag-extend pa yung kanyang advocacy.
Rather than focus lang dun sa solid na program.
Tsaka very focused lang kasi siya for now, siguro, dun sa Pototan Elementary School. But anyhow, congratulations and good luck pa rin kay Ariana for her journey sa Miss World Philippines. Thank you so much guys at sinamahan nyo naman kami sa daang video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next uploads.
And guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So keep watching us in the next video. Bye!